Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation, and this is the second video of this automation, and in which we are going to update the system with a module through which we can pull back the partial inspections which were submitted earlier, so that we can refill those and complete the inspections. So to do that, I have also added a list in here so that you can see the partial inspection available in the database. So as you can see this one. These few questions are empty for the inspection for the week number 3. There are few empty for the week number 4 as well. And there are few empty fields for the week number 5 as well. All of these are empty. And this is for the week number 5. So all of these will get fetched and can be seen in this list in here. So week number 4 is partial, week 3, week 1, 5 and week 1 are still remaining. So if I want to pull the week number 4 inspection so that I can get completed, so I need to select 2024 December, as you can see in here, 2024 December 4 for this particular store. So if I'll click on this fetch record, what it's going to do, it's going to clear the result and it's going to fetch all the remaining section of this inspection for the week number 4. Let me quickly fill in the scoring. Maybe I can give 5 to all of these. And I'll once I'm done with the all the inspection, the remaining tasks, I need to submit this submit inspection report. Once done, you'll see that week number 4 is no more there in the partial inspection. Let me do this do the same for the week number 5. Fetch the record, submit 4 for all of these, and submit the report. You can see as soon as I'll submit the report, this will get removed from here. Now we have only 2 partial inspection left. So this is going to help you to find out which inspections are still remaining. Then there is another point added, remaining how many how many tasks are remaining in this particular inspection. So if I'll start from here and maybe I'll give few zeros, you can see the number is changing 23, 26. So this is how you can see how many, like you can see all of these are remaining. So currently we have 248 tasks, and let me give it a bit 5 and fill in all of these. Then I'll remove the inspection for the inventory management. Okay, so I have left the inventory management for the week number. Maybe, yeah, let it make it 5. So because we don't have any, so let's see what happens. We have already completed week number 5. So what will happen? If we'll try to submit the report, it's going to show, okay, no, the duplicate this week 2024 December week number 5 has, for this particular store, has already been updated, so you can't resubmit the same. So this might be a mistake, and this could be even either for any other week or maybe other month or maybe any other year. So if I'll select 2025 and then submit the report, the report got submitted and another entry has been added in here. As you can see, the inventory management was left for the 2025 December 5. Store this. I can also do the same for the for any of the other store. Let me take this one. Okay, I'm going to fill this partially as well, and I'm going to submit the report. Maybe for the same week. Let's see what happens. Sorry, we have changed the store, so this will get updated. So now the inspection is there for the store number 2. So yeah, you can see this number in here as well, so that you have, so far you have done 6 inspections. If I'll do another inspection for maybe store number 10, let me give it a random number and submit the inspection report. This should turn 7, and still in this inspection 44 tasks is still remaining. So I'm going to submit this report. You can see the inspection turned 7, and now the all of these fresh tasks are again available. And you can see the list is updating for the partial remaining inspection as well, which you can always fetch by selecting in here and running. filling the remaining section. This is also a new button for the fresh inspection. I don't think so you need it. We can remove it. Why I made this is maybe, for example, if you fetch a record, let's fetch this for this one. Let's fetch for this row number 2. So 2025, December 5, let's fetch the record. So for example, if you fetch the record, but you don't want to continue with this, you want to fresh, oh no, I don't want to complete the previous inspection. I want to start fresh. So you need to click on this fresh inspection. So this is where this button jumps in. All of these options like submit the inspection report, fresh inspection, fetch record, all of these are available in this option in this menu as well. And also I have added these steps to follow. The number one is a step to follow for the first use. You need to clear the database, then update the listing. You can use this menu. So for example, if you want to update the listing, you can click on it and it will take you to the fields which you want to update. The fields are automatically highlighted. As you can see, this one, and this one all automatically got highlighted. So you need to make changes in this. Once you are done with this, you can always jump and fill in the inspection for a few months. So you can click on this and it will take you where you want to do it. You have to do it in here. So you have to select a month, select a store, select a week, select a date, and then start fetching, start the inspection. So what is the next step? The next step is, let me click in here. The next step is submit the inspection report. Let's see what happens. So now it's highlighting this section that you need to do this section so that you can start updating the submission. Then what you need to do, yeah, you need to submit the inspection report and then see the dashboard. Once you are done, you can see the dashboard. Let me take you to the dashboard. You can always click on the bottom left bottom menu where you can select the tabs to the dashboard, listing, database, and inspection. Now the database is here. If you want to see for the 2025, we can see there are 2 years available. And if you want to see for any, like we have only December week, we have only week 4, 3. I want to see all the weeks. Let's see if we have any special. Yeah, we have multiple stores as well. So I want to see the combined December, the 2025 December performance I want to see. So you can see this is the December performance, the jewelry. These are all the categories, and this is the stores. Which store is performing? The store 1612 is performing 100%, and so far and so on. This part has already been discussed in the first video. And I'll add the video links in here. Watch video demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. I'll add all these demo in here. You can jump in and click on this so that you can navigate to the video. So I think that is it. I think that's what we were looking for. You can have it like I like this inspection list added so that you can see which are the remaining or partial inspections done already. So that you can complete one by one if you like to. We can also have some questions. Like if you don't want to fill all of these, you can always have week 1 question, week 2, week 3, week 4. But I don't think so. We need that part now because now we have the same question for all the inspection, and remaining inspection or partial inspection list can be seen in here, which can be selected and fetched to update accordingly. So I hope this is a bit clear, and that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.